Junior Model International 2019 recently held in Dubai, and today I'm here to share some of my tips with all of you regarding my experience till today. And today I'm going to share 3 of my best tips with all the aspiring models who are about to see this video. First of all, if you all are planning to come into pageantry or modeling, you must first be aware that it is something that is really very challenging. It is something in which you have to give your truest dedication, confidence and hard work. You have to give the maximum input so as to get the maximum output. So the first tip that I would like to give you all is that first ask yourself what you all have been really meant for. For what are you working so hard? For what are you struggling? For what have you been surviving till today? So first you know what you all have been meant for. First you realize what really your passion is. Then only you would be able to get into your particular passion, your particular interest, and that will lead you towards your path of success. Second, once you come into pageantry or modeling, the first thing that you have to do is be patriotic. You must first love your nation. You must first love the cultures, tradition. You must know it bit by bit, and then only you must come into pageants. Because over there, you have to realize that there may be 50, 60, 100 or even more than 200 contestants. So the number, so all the contestants may be 50, 60, 100 or even more than that, but you are going to be the only one and the only one Indian over there. Being the only one Indian, it's your first ever responsibility to spread the culture, amazing tradition, to display that how your nation is the land of divinity, divinity and spirituality over the entire universe. First ever responsibility is to display your culture, tradition, to represent your nation in the most ever aristocratic manner ever before. And the third tip is that once you get the sash of that 5-letter word, that's India, across your heart, you must first realize your responsibility towards your nation. Because if you don't realize your responsibility towards the nation, if you don't feel the moment, then you can't work hard and you can't do your best. So all you have to do is to realize the importance of that golden letter word across your heart. Then remember what your passion, what your plans are, what you have been meant for, and then just feel the moment. Just feel the moment and be free to walk upon the ramp, to pose the way you need, and to just know that you have been meant for to represent your nation and only your nation over there. You have to first realize that your nation is not behind you over there. Yes, in each and every step, your nation is not behind you, rather the nation is with you. As you're carrying your nation's name across your heart as your sash. So first you have to feel the moment. Hence, from all the 3 steps, what do we learn? That first we have to know what we have been meant for. Second, we have to make the plannings. We have to just feel the moment. Third is that we have to know our responsibility towards our nation. Just feel the moment, be free, pose in the most best way you want, and then you would see that you would be the one who would be able to rule upon this world of pageantry. So all of these 3 tips were my best tips and which I could share with you all from my experience till today in the world of pageantry, and I hope that I get this love and support from you all in the future, in the long run. With this, thank you so much. Namaste.